note that, again, that apparently there had been a denial of parenting time, which is not disputed by the defendant. In fact, she acknowledges that she has in fact denied parenting time. And court notes that as a result, she has withheld the children, that she's failed to comply with the order of.
But there's reason, sir.
Excuse me?
There's reason,
Okay.
valid reason.
Okay, ma'am, you're done. You don't have time to speak at this point. Okay, you've had a chance to testify. You had a chance to do a final argument, so you're done. And
Are you serious?
this matter is concluded. You're free to go.
Who's sucking whose dick around here?
Oh,
No,
ma'am,
seriously.
another 30 days for contempt of court. You're in jail for 60 days now.
No.
What's good, YouTube? This is KB LaFleur. You can call me KB. Welcome back to another video. We got another court case of a mother being held in contempt because she decides to throw out a few words to the judge, and the judge didn't like it. And she also was holding that child away from the father. We see that plenty of times, but let's just go ahead and see what's going on.
Note that, again, that apparently there had been a denial of parenting time, which is not disputed by the defendant. In fact, she acknowledges that she has in fact denied parenting time. And court notes that as a result, she has withheld the children, that she's failed to comply with the order of.
But there's reason, sir.
Excuse me?
There's reason,
Okay.
valid reason.
Okay, ma'am, you're done. You don't have time to speak at this point. Okay, you've had a chance to testify. You had a chance to do a final argument, so you're done. The court, she failed to comply with the order of June 13, 2024 for parenting time. She failed to comply with the order of December 2nd, 2024 for parenting time. There was an order of November 1, 2024 for makeup parenting time and attorney fees of $500. Again, there was an order for makeup parenting time dated February 4, 2025 for makeup parenting time and attorney fees from the hearing held on January 27, 2025, that all four of those orders she's failed to comply with. The court has reviewed the file. There's been multiple show cause hearings. She has previously been held in contempt of court. She has previously been ordered to make up parenting time as well as pay attorney fees, as I stated, and she's failed to comply with any and all of these prior orders of the court. Her recourse is to file motions, have hearings in the event that there is some issue. The court will note that I am recalling from the last hearing where she had made allegations concerning the plaintiff, and in fact, she acknowledged at that time that there had been two CPS involvements and the CPS had not done anything as a result. She acknowledged that she had been in contact with the police, that they had not done anything as a result either. The court will find that she is in fact in contempt of court. The court will, as the plaintiff stated, he's entitled to 20 days of makeup parenting time, and that shall occur at such time as he acquires the care of the children. The court will note that, again, the prior rulings of this court, that she had done makeup parenting time on 2 occasions, as well as paying the attorney fees, that in fact she has ignored and refused to comply with those particular orders. So, ma'am, unfortunately, you leave me no choice, but the court will sentence you to 30 days in jail with the Calhoun County Sheriff. The court will further remand you to the care of the Calhoun County Sheriff, where you will remain until such time as the children are turned over to the plaintiff and until such time as you've paid the previously ordered attorney fees of $1,000. So, ma'am, you can go with the sheriff, and
Are you serious?
this matter is concluded. You're free to go.
Who's
Have a good
sucking
day.
whose dick around here?
Oh,
No,
ma'am,
seriously.
another 30 days for contempt of court. You're in jail for 60 days now.
No, what's going
If you
on?
keep going, I can go as long as you want, ma'am.
Your Honor, if we could have the assistance of the sheriff to find out where the girls are. We suspect they're with their grandmother, but we're not.
Well,
100%
she
sure.
has been remanded until such time as the girls are turned over. So that, she can stay there as long as she wants, I guess, until she has them turned over.
I'll draft the order and 7 day it, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I mean, dang. I mean, I don't think many baby fathers go through this. A lot of times you go to the courts, you go to these family courts, you see a lot of fathers having to pay up, and it eats the men's pockets. But guess what? They are obligated to pay. But you have this lady here who is going to break down the situation a little bit more. Now, by the way, I will leave the link down below in the description if y'all want to go ahead and see the full series. But she gives this video a little more context because you do have a few people in the comments questioning what's going on, saying there's a little bit more to this.
I want to give you guys some more context on the custody battle I've been posting clips of, Couch versus Connolly. So this case has been going on for the last 4 months on YouTube. So that's how much I have a playlist on YouTube, Couch versus Connolly, Family Court Chaos, if you want to watch all of it and inform your own opinion. But here's what I can tell you in a short version. So they have shared custody. Dad has visitation. Mom is alleging that dad SA'd the kids, and she says that he has a proclivity for diapers and things like that. She says she has the video. She says she has all these things. Well, she's already alerted the police. The police saw her evidence. She's called CPS. CPS saw her evidence. The judge saw her evidence. And everybody is saying that no. So I don't know what she says, that dad had videos on his phone of diapers. So
as I stated before, link is in the description down below for y'all to go ahead and make y'all own assumption. But it is just another situation of a man having to go through the court system and having to not only fight the mother, but fight the judge. Now, in a rare instance, in a rare situation, right, this case, the man seems to be able to get out of the situation unscathed, right? And the mother has to pretty much, it's almost like she's on probation, but she has to give the child to the father for 20 days, right? The guy has to make up 20 days because she decided to alienate the child away from the father. And as you can hear her say, well, hey, hold on, people, listen, there's a reason why I did what I did. And as y'all see in many other videos and court cases, many women will always lie and pull any and everything out they crack to try to get a man caught up so they can have full custody, just to then turn around and complain and say, hey, well, we deserve a little bit more of his money for child support because he's not active and he's not involved, this, that, and the third. But it's like, once again, you did everything you can to keep the man and the child separated. So, I mean, it's just wild to me. But look, guys, do me a huge favor, leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel. Y'all let me know down below, how do y'all feel?